Dear students, so I will be handling you the subject high voltage engineering for the 7th semester electrical and electronics engineering. So the course code or the subject code is 17EE73. So there are 5 modules in the subject: module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4, module 5. So the first module, module 1, it consists of, or it speaks on the conduction and breakdown in gases. So the conduction and breakdown in gases consist of, we'll have a simple and brief introduction of the subject. So it consists of gases as insulating media, collision process, ionization process. So based upon this, we'll be studying the two laws, that is the Townsend's current growth equation, also called as Townsend's first ionization coefficient, current growth in the presence of secondary process, called as the Townsend's second ionization coefficient, Townsend's criteria or criterion for breakdown. So you know the concept of breakdown. Breakdown is nothing but the process when the insulating property loses its ability to withstand and it starts conduction. That is because of the process of ionization. We will deal in depth how that takes place. Then we will be studying the concept of experimental determination of coefficients like alpha and gamma, breakdown in electronegative gases, time lags for breakdown, streamer theory of breakdown in gases, Bastian's law, breakdown in non-uniform fields, and corona discharges. So this is corona discharges, conduction and breakdown in liquid dielectrics. So you should know what are dielectrics, what is an insulator, what is a conductor, know the differences between these, a conductor, an insulator, and a dielectrics. Liquids as insulators, particularly used in transformer as transformer oils, pure liquids and commercial liquids, conduction and breakdown in pure liquids, conduction and breakdown in commercial liquids, breakdown in solid dielectrics, that is a subunit under module 1, introduction of that part, intrinsic breakdown, electromechanical breakdown, thermal breakdown. This consists or comprises of the module 1. So when we go for module 2, that is, we'll be studying about generation of high voltages and currents. So generation of high direct currents, voltages, generation of high alternating voltages, generation of impulse voltages, generation of impulse currents, tripping and control of impulse generators. So that is about module 2. When we go for module 3, we will be studying about measurement of high voltages and currents. So based upon the subunit, measurement of high voltages and currents, measurement of high direct current voltages, measurement of high AC and impulse voltages, measurement of high currents, direct, alternating and impulse cathode ray oscillographs for impulse voltage and current measurements. So a brief introductory part I am just giving you. Now we are coming to module 4, which asked us to study about overvoltage phenomenon and insulation coordination in electric power systems, national causes for overvoltages, lightning phenomenon, that is natural causes, overvoltage due to switching surges, system faults, and other abnormal principles of insulation, coordination of high voltage and extra high voltage power systems. And under the last module, that is module 5, we will be having a glance on non-destructive testing and materials and electrical apparatus. Introduction, measurement of dielectric constant and loss factor, partial discharge measurements. In the subunit, it is high voltage testing of electrical apparatus, testing of high insulators, bushings, testings of isolators and circuit breakers, testing of cables, testing of transformers, testing of surge arresters, radio interference measurements, testing of HVDC wells and equipments. These are all the necessary testings used before it is being used in our day-to-day or practical fields. So these are the things that we should have the concept or the glance which we just had from the syllabus, what we should study at this level of the 7th semester in the subject of high voltage engineering of electrical and electronics engineering. So the textbooks for this syllabus are high voltage engineering by MS Naidu, that is Kamaraju Naidu, and one more that is been given is Wadhwa, but even the reference books are being told by the University of Edition 2000, so you can have a glance. By the by, I will be giving you the notes, just refer those things, have a practice, and inshallah I expect a better score from the students for their better future. Thank you.